2015 Nissan Altima 2.5 SL forward gun metallic service performed by Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change, new front brake pads and resurfaced rotors. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG advanced formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive replaced, air filter replaced, in cabin microfilter helps with allergies, new wiper blades, new tire. CVT transmission service, BG CVT fluid, cleaner and conditioner. 4-wheel computerized alignment, optional equipment. Blind spot warning, lane departure warning system, moonroof package, Nissan navigation system, technology package. 2738 city/highway MBG.